Wow. Look at that. Try to just get down the steps. Out to feed the horses. Got some deep snow to walk through. About up to the knees in spots. The wind is starting to pack it hard. Wow. Out of the wind here. Look at those guys. They're ready for some more hay. Yeah, when she's this cold, you gotta feed them a little bit extra. Woo. Joe and Shooter. This is Joe up front. He'll be 25 in May, and that's his full-blooded brother, Shooter. That guy would be 28. But he's holding up pretty good. This is a friend of mine's horse, Angel. We're not really sure how old she is, but figuring maybe 20-ish. Wow. The drifts are just building up. There's the old hog house. I think I'll pass on walking over there. There's some 2-foot drifts in front of that door you can see. I'm just gonna make my way back to the house. Hold on the face. There's my blade for the tractor almost buried. Ooh, it's hurting the face. Wow. That is amazing. There's the view. Gonna heat up the hog house tomorrow. If all goes well, we're gonna film a podcast out there Monday.